First, make a selection of the towel using the selection tool. Press Ctrl-J to copy the selection onto a new layer. Now go to the layer setting and add a new duplicate layer. On Document, select New and change the name. After that, it separates its copy. Now go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 8.0. Save this file as PDF on your PC. After that, go to the main project. Use the rectangle tool and add a shape around the towel. Fill it with color using the paint bucket tool. Convert it into a smart object and open its layer. Go to File, Place Embedded and insert the image. Press Ctrl-T to adjust. Go to File, Save and place it. Return to the project and add a clipping mask. Next, go to Filter, Distort, Displace and add the file we saved earlier. Now go to Blend mode and select the one that fits best here. Choose Multiply. And that's it, your towel mockup is ready.